Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Bee Wealth Academy. Have you ever heard of the gold dust of the hive? I'm talking about bee pollen, a powerful superfood and a booming product in the multi-billion-dollar natural wellness industry. What if I told you that this tiny golden granule could be your gateway to financial freedom? In this video, I will walk you through the billion-dollar bee pollen industry, the trends, the profit, and exactly how you can tap into it. Whether you are a beekeeper, entrepreneur, or a total beginner looking for a new income stream. What is bee pollen in the first instance? Bee pollen is a mixture of flower pollen, nectar, enzymes, honey, and wax collected by honeybees and packed into granules. It is rich in protein, amino acids, vitamins, antioxidants, and it is considered one of the nature's most complete food. It is widely used in nutritional supplements, skincare products, weight management, and energy boosting capsules. No wonder it is in high demand across Europe, North America, Asia, and right here in Africa. Now let us briefly discuss about the global market value. The global market value of bee products is currently at over $12 billion, with bee pollen capturing a significant and fast-growing share. In 2024 alone, the global bee pollen market was worth more than $1.4 billion and is projected to exceed $2 billion in the next 5 years. Top exporters of pollen include China, Spain, Brazil, and the United States. But Africa is rising fast with untapped potential and premium quality pollen. In Nigeria, for instance, Ghana, Kenya, and South Africa, they are now positioning themselves as major players. Who buys bee pollen? So, who is driving this demand? The primary consumers are health-conscious individuals, energy boosters, immunity, and so on. Supplement companies, capsule, powder, granules, and so on. Skincare and cosmetic brands like anti-aging and moisturizers. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts for protein and stamina. Exporters and wellness retailers, and many more. How to tap into this gold mine? Now let us go to the juicy part. How you can tap into this billion-dollar bee pollen business. Here are 5 proven ways to enter the market. 1. Become a bee pollen collector. Start your beekeeping farm and install pollen traps. 2. Requires low startup capital, especially in regions with good flora. Then harvest, dry, and package pollen for direct sales or export. Number 2, you can start a bee pollen processing business. Invest in cleaning, drying, and grading equipment. Package bee pollen into capsules, granules, or powder for retail. Sell to local health stores, supermarkets, and pharmacies. Number 3, become an exporter or aggregator. Source bee pollen from local beekeepers. Focus on quality control, certification for organic type, and international packaging standard. Then export to Europe, the US, and Asia. Number 4, develop skincare or nutraceutical products. Formulate pollen-based soaps, face creams, masks, and lotion. Collaborate with beautiful brands or launch your line. Number 5, offer training and consultancy. Position yourself as a bee pollen expert. Train farmers, startups, and agricultural entrepreneurs. Then what are the tools and equipment required? To get started, you will need equipment like beehives, either Langstroth or turbine hives. You will need pollen traps. You need solar or electric dryers. You need sterile packaging materials. You need basic lab testing to test for moisture, content and purity, etc. Labels and branding materials. Cost to start. Small scale, think about 100 to 300,000 naira. Medium scale may cost 500 to 1,500,000 naira. Then large scale, that is you are export ready, maybe 2 million plus. Bee pollen business in Nigeria. In Nigeria, bee pollen is still underexplored, which makes it a good opportunity for early movers. Though some brands have begun packaging for the Lagos, Ibadan, Abuja and Port Harcourt markets, but most of these products are imported. What does that mean for you? It is a chance to build a made in Nigeria bee pollen brand with high export value and local demand. It is very simple in the sense that your bees have done 99% of the job. Yours is just to clean, dry, store and package. Marketing and selling your bee pollen. Here is how to market and sell your bee pollen successfully. 1. Offline marketing. Under offline marketing, we can be talking about partner with pharmacies, wellness stores, fitness centers, and organic market. Then you talk about you attend trade shows and agriculture expos. Number 2, online marketing. Under online marketing, we can be talking about building a website with SEO optimized content using keywords like buy bee pollen benefits, Nigerian bee pollen, etc. Then you run targeted ads on Facebook, Instagram, and Google. You can sell on platforms like Jumia, Konga, Amazon, and Etsy. Then number 3, you talk about create informative videos on YouTube about the health benefits and your bee farm. The packaging tips. Use clear, appealing packaging with health benefit claims and certification. Challenges and solutions. Every good man has his own hurdles, so pollen is not an exception. Here are some challenges and smart solutions. Low awareness. Educate your market through content and demo. Spoilage. Invest in small, proper drying and storage technology. Quality control. Get trained and use lab testing services. Market access. Join beekeeping association like Federation of Beekeepers Association of Nigeria and other beekeepers and export cooperatives. So far, bee pollen is more than just a buzzword. It is a multi-billion naira opportunity waiting for smart individuals like you to tap in. Whether you want to farm it, you process it, or you sell it, now is the time to position yourself in this booming industry. Don't wait till the market is saturated. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone interested in agriculture or passive income. Drop a comment below if you are ready to tap into the bee pollen industry or have any questions. I'll be in the comment helping you out to your beekeeping success.